Hi family, welcome back to Enjoy Your Space, and if you're here for the first time, my name is Nyathon Hmai. On this channel, I motivate families to create or maintain clean and organized space that they can enjoy and relax in. If this sounds like you, consider subscribing and don't forget to click that notification bell so that you are notified every time I post new video every week. This video is part 2 of a whole house cleaning video I posted last week. Back in the bathroom, I went ahead and I removed our shower curtains from our bathroom and from the kids' bathroom, and I took them to the laundry. I normally wash my shower curtains in the washing machine. What I normally do is that I add in clean white hand towels, and if you have an old towel, that works as well. This is very effective in helping a washing machine clean the shower curtains. So back in the bathroom, I make this space for cleaning the bathtub, tiles and sink. In here, I mix 1 cup of vinegar, half a cup of dish soap and 2 cups of baking soda and mix it into this space. This is enough to wash 2 or 3 bathrooms if you use it economically. So my objective of deep cleaning the bathroom this week is to use this space to whiten the tiles in the tap and to remove this black mold-like looking spot on the tile. Here, so I went ahead and I sprayed this paste all over the bathtub and the tile and then let it sit there for a while I clean the mirrors, sink and the toilet.
Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution.
So now you guys could see the paste has whitened the shower. My shower is looking much whiter, shinier and cleaner than I started. But one thing I noticed is that the black spots are still there. This indicates that this vinegar and baking soda paste is not effective in removing molds or things like that. So here I have to improvise to come up with a natural way of removing them. Apart from that, this space is good for a regular cleaning of your bathroom. It works wonders.
We're the revolution.
It's hard for me to let go, but I think that I'm finally feeling good again. So hard cause I loved you, but I'm finally feeling like myself. All of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you.
When it comes to cleaning and organizing our kids' rooms, I love involving them in the process to teach them so that they become independent, clean and organized adults.
Now when I think of you, I'm fine. See a picture of you, it would eat me alive. And now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think think that I am moving on, cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, and this is the sign that I'm healing.
When the night was closing in, I was alone and so afraid. Couldn't see the light. No.
So while I was cleaning the rest of the house, I was also doing laundry. Our laundry room was dirty and disorganized, so I tried to organize and just sweep it before I started doing laundry. If there's one thing I'm struggling with, guys, it is the laundry. But now I have tried to do one load of laundry each day, and that has been working well.
Inside this glow, could this moment be meant to be? Lose the shadows and you'll see. Lose the shadows and be free. Black sunrise, ain't gonna let it go. Let it go.
If you have not done already, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't miss my next week video on kitchen cabinet organization. See you next week. Bye bye.